Okay, guys, welcome back to how do you call this? Sporting Globe here at Fountain Gate. We'll have a look of how they did their Porterhouse steak. It comes with a salad and chips. So let's try with the chip first. Very nice, really large chunk. I can taste the crispiness. And the saltiness is just right. Now let's try the steak. My steak is always medium to well, so let's have a look with a gravy mushroom sauce. I like the flavors, the infusion of the flavors of the steak. And the salad is obviously very fresh. Yeah, really nice, guys, very nice.